Coming up in today's video, I'll show you a side-by-side growth comparison of my natural hair. Also showing you how I've transformed the health of my natural hair with this one thing in my regimen. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. I've been on a journey for more than a year now to restore back the health of my natural hair that's been damaged by crochet braids. I've been doing videos now for over a year, so these videos are both on my channel. I thought I'd do a side-by-side comparison so you can see the growth in my hair and you could also see the health in my hair and talk about the things that I do to really transform my hair and grow it so that it can help you. Welcome back to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me and growing my YouTube channel. Thank you. So it's very clear from the video on the left, which was taken in August 2021. Once again, you can check this out on my channel. And the video on the right, which was taken in February 2022, that my hair is completely transformed. Let's first talk about the differences in my hair. In the video on the left, August 2021, my hair is dry, it is brittle. It's not short or anything by any means. It's quite a lot of length for someone who's never had long hair, so that's an achievement. However, the hair on my head is quite damaged. It's been damaged by crochet braids. It's very uneven and it really needed restoring back to health. So I had a mission to get my hair to the standard that I wanted it to be. The very first thing I noticed was how dry my hair was. My hair was not retaining moisture. It seemed that length of protective style in my hair, in that manner, I'd sucked all of the moisture out of my hair and my hair was resisting the moisture. So I had to find a way of getting the moisture back into my hair. The one regimen change that really helped me to retain length and all the hair that I've grown has been retained since I've done this one regimen change is pre-pooing my natural hair. Now pre-poo is just that, it's pre-shampoo. To pre-shampoo your hair means to do a treatment before you put the shampoo in. And this is the one thing I've been doing. I've naturally only used conditioner or olive oil, but I've been sticking to olive oil and I've been seeing a big difference in my hair growth and retention through pre-pooing my natural hair. So really in this 6-month hair growth comparison video, you can see a major difference with the video on the right. My hair is darker, that's number one, you can see. My hair is fuller and thicker, that's another thing you can see. You can also see my hair is longer and it's just looking healthier. You would know that my method of protective styling also changed. So I stopped doing crochet braids and I started to do mini braids on my natural hair. Now check out my mini braids hair growth playlist. Also check out my wash day playlist. That's a great playlist to show you step by step how I wash my hair, and you will see lots of information there on what goes into a typical wash day for me. Mini braids is transforming my natural hair. My hair is much longer and stronger, and I recommend using that as a means to grow your natural hair. It's not as easy, it's not as quick as crochet braids, but the hair that you grow is hair you're going to want to keep. With mini braids, I'm also able to continue the same pre-poo regimen by not taking down my hair, not manipulating my hair, and my hair is growing. And I can pre-poo my hair while it's in mini braids. In these two videos, which I hope to link for you in the description so you can watch them fully, I also give you the regimen of what's in my my pre-poo bottle. Now, I also have a video on my channel about the new starter, what you need as someone who's just starting to grow your natural hair. All of this information is in there. You need an applicator bottle. In my video on the left, my hair is being pre-pooed dry. Certain ladies do pre-poo on their hair dry, certain ladies do it on it wet. Another regimen change I made with my pre-poo is I started to do it wet, which is the video on the right. I saw a big difference in putting warm water, very warm water on my hair before I applied the olive oil. I was able then to retain a lot more moisture afterwards. I also started to pre-poo every wash. It was an essential part of my wash day every wash day, and I really saw a growth in my hair and length retention. So I recommend you pre-poo your natural hair, and I also recommend you protective style with your own natural hair to keep that moisture in. Whereas before I was wearing crochet braids perhaps for 6 weeks, barely getting any pre-poo in, any washing in, any moisture in. Now I do it on my natural hair, and I'm able to do the treatments week by week in my mini braids, and I'm seeing great difference. Whether on loose hair, whether in mini braids, your hair will retain length by doing this one regimen change. I usually try to infuse my pre-poo with something Ayurveda. I use fenugreek sometimes in it, sometimes I use henna, but I always try to add a little boost to my pre-poo. That said, olive oil all by itself, so if you was to do a wash day today and you just came across this video and you just had humble olive oil in your pantry, you could just warm that up for a couple of seconds and add it to your hair, and you will see a difference by the end of your wash day. So I recommend it just by itself, but boosted with Ayurveda, you will see even bigger difference in your hair. I've said before in my previous video, these side-by-side hair growth comparison is really it for me, and there are so many coming up on my videos, so much information I want to share, but these videos really show you visually the difference in my hair. My hair on the left was very, very hard to deal with. I had a lot of new growth that I didn't really get on top of, because sometimes when you get the growth in the crochet braids, you just crochet braid back to back, the new growth is really, really thick and the ends is really wispy, and to comb that through, I was causing a lot of damage. With the mini braids, I'm redoing my mini braids even more often, or as I see a lot of growth now in this cycle, in these upcoming challenges, which some videos are filming at the moment, so do look out for them. I'm trying to be on top of my new growth and paying attention to all the length of my hair. Thank you so much for watching so far in this video. It really would mean a lot to my channel if you would subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with someone that you think will benefit. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think of my hair growth? What do you think of the comparison? What are the differences that you can see? Also, do you pre-poo? How do you pre-poo? Share that information to help the community. Thank you so much. Once again, and to recap, I have really gotten on top of pre-pooing my natural hair before I wash it. 6 months ago, you can see that my hair was very dry, very brittle. I was also pre-pooing on dry hair. My hair didn't look healthy at all, and it needed a lot of tender loving care. I upgraded my regimen and I started to pre-poo on warm, wet hair, infusing my pre-poo, my olive oil pre-poo with Ayurveda. I'm really seeing a difference in my hair growth even by February 22, which is the video on the right. And you can see that the difference for yourself. My hair is thicker, it's longer, it's fuller. My natural hair is looking beautiful. I often get a lot of comments on how darker my hair looks. That's because the health is being restored, and that is my natural hair color, and it's coming back. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care and God bless.